Okay, so we're gonna do some stop motion stuff, and we're gonna have the camera in the front kind of doing the video, and then the camera next to it is gonna be doing photo, and then I'll be explaining later on how you put it together. Cool. So basically what's gonna happen is Tara here is she has a pattern in mind, and she's gonna move through that pattern like a little bit by little bit, and then we'll put it together when all the stuff goes together. As the moths attack us, this is gonna be a great night, if you can't already tell. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is around 40 frames of me flinging the tube back and forth in the circle in order to create this effect. Now, the other thing that I did do with this is I like to switch out the top of the tube because I have little mini tubes that I wanted to put on top, and I wanted to try different colors. So when you're seeing the different colors, that's why. And as this video is about over, we're gonna jump into how to do it in Photoshop as well, so that you can do the same thing. I'd love to see it. Okay, so you're gonna open an image that you put into Photoshop first, just like one image from the set that you wanna do. Then you wanna make sure that you have your video timeline here at the bottom. If you don't have it, you're gonna go to Window, and you're gonna click on Timeline to make sure you have it there. So once you have the timeline up, you're going to click on this button, and then you're going to see this little film strip right here, and you only see one thing in there. You're going to click on that film strip, you're going to click on Add Media, and then you're going to want to add in all the other pictures you have. So for me, I already have 3288 in there, so make sure I don't do that, and then I'm going to add the rest. Alright, so now we have all of our clips in the timeline. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click on these three little squares down at the bottom left, and that's going to put them into like a timeline of sorts. And then you're going to want to make sure that you highlight or grab all of them, and then you're going to click on the down arrow and click on no delay or 0.1 seconds. I feel like works the best, and then go ahead and click play and give it a shot. I think it looks pretty rad. Then once you're done with that and you're happy with it, you're gonna go to File, you're gonna go to Export and Render Video. And then you just gotta click Render and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you learned something. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, that would be freaking fantastic, but I'm not gonna tell you to live your life. If you wanna do the notification bell stuff too, that's cool too. Anywho, I think you're great, and I think your faces are beautiful. So I'll see them in the next video. Okay, bye.